Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here on Airplane Story 2. So let's get started. Okay, that's teleported. Which one do I go on? There's one passenger. Oh, okay. It's fine if I'm alone. It's actually fine. So it says presidential flight. So I guess, yeah. One flight is delayed. Wow. So we have 4 people now. That guy is glitching, so it's fine. Okay. We're teleporting. Okay. So we're here. Okay, so these are our seats. Wait, it says our names, I think. Ooh, these are my seats. I'm gonna close up everything. Okay, there we go. Let me tell this guy, cause, oh wait, he left. He left. Okay, it's fine. We're outside. Hello, hello everyone. Welcome back. Wait, what does she mean by welcome? Oh my god, sounds too loud. Okay, done. Welcome back. So I think everything, well, I'll get it in Airplane Story 1, because this is Airplane Story 2, so yeah. My name is Kyla. I will be your pilot in this flight. Wait, she's a pilot? Okay. As you can probably tell, this is not a regular plane. Yeah, it's too big. The plane is big. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the 991 presidential aircraft. You heard right. The president would like to celebrate personally with you guys. Okay. You saved an airplane last time. I think it happens in Airplane Story 1, so I'll get it. We still don't understand how the captain lost control that time. Anyways, you saved the day, and that is the reason we are here. Okay. Alright, enough chatting. Okay. Please find the seats that has a golden label with your name on it. So we have a timer to sit down, and what will happen? Okay. As we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. I'm already on my seat, so it doesn't matter, and I'm fine. So, yeah. Whoop! What? What? We just, okay? That's weird. Did we just do a barrel roll? That is weird. Thank you for your cooperation. Okay. I have been informed a president agent is waiting for you in the next room. Okay. Please find him there for your further instructions. Okay, let's go. I think they're the agents. What do we do? Okay. And remember, no one should know about this. About what? That's weird. Okay. Did anyone else see that? Okay. Oh, hi! Welcome to the presidential airplane. I thought she said aircraft. Okay. And congratulations for what you have done. Your country is grateful. Okay. Follow me to the next room. I will give you some instructions. Okie doke. So I'm gonna follow him. Why is he still walking? Okay. President is getting ready. He will meet you in the dining room in a couple of minutes. But there is something you must know before that. Know what? The president is very special. He gets mad very easy. I thought you're supposed to say easily, but whatever. Please do everything we say and do not cause any kind of trouble in the airplane. That's all. President should be almost ready. Okay. Why don't you guys grab a glass of water while we wait? Okie doke. Oh no, I'm so sorry. That's what I said. Look at this mess. The president is going to be so mad. Please find something to clean this mess, okay? There's a cleaning service room here. I can grab a broom. I have 27 seconds to clean this up. Okay. See, it's working. Do I have to, like, can I clean the glasses too? No, I think I can't. It will pick up by itself. All right, here. Is there any? Great, it's cleaned. Please don't let that happen again. Okay. President is ready now. Please follow me to the dining room. Okie doke. Please don't be mocking. Okay. Oh, we're teleporting. Okay. Here we are. Why is the president red? Why is he red? Okay, he does not look like president. Why is he red? Build that brick wall. His name is Ronald. Wait, I know something. Ronald McDonald. Wow. I'm sorry. It's the habit. Okay. Of getting angry? Okay. Anyways, welcome to my airplane. Okay. My name is Ronald McDonald. Hi. I'm the president of Robloxia States. Okay. You must know you are heroes for this nation. Yeah. We have a delicious meal prepared for this special moment. Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President. What? The food is not ready yet. What? I believe the chef messed up. What? That chef off this plane? What? We will take care of him, Mr. President. He is not a president. A president is just not. Oh no. GamerGirl12XX1, you look like a great chef, but I don't cook. But, Mr. President, I have never cooked before. Well, you better learn quick, or else I'm throwing you out of the plane too. Oh no! That is the word. Okay. Say something good. GamerGirl12XX1. I will tell you the ingredients, and you have to find them and drop them into the soup pot before the time runs out. Okay. I'm not sure. If you grab the wrong ingredient, throw it in the trash can. Here's the trash can. But be quick. Okay. Are you ready? Time to cook. Okay. See, what do we have to add first? The soup needs cabbage. Cabbage. This is cabbage. Okay, that's correct. The soup needs corn. Corn. That's corn. Soup needs chicken. Chicken. Where's chicken? Chicken. Okay. Soup needs tomato. What? A dirty soup? What soup has these ingredients? The soup needs cabbage. Again? They're probably just making up something. Okay. Food is ready. Phew! I made it! But the soup looks very disgusting because, like, Who adds tomatoes, cabbage, more cabbage, and corn to a soup? It looks delicious. Everyone take a seat. I don't want to eat this, but you'll get mad. I don't like it. Okay, whatever. Enjoy. Sure, Mr. President. Whatever. I would never eat this type of soup, but whatever. Okay, we finished. Where's the president? We hope you enjoyed the soup. President had to leave early. Okay. He should be meeting you again at the presidential suite. Wow. Please follow the path to the computer room. Okay. Let's go. Let's go to the computer room. Hi. Presidential suite. This is the presidential suite. Welcome to the computer room. Hi. We use this room to protect any cybernetic attack to our systems. The president is waiting in the presidential suite. Okay. In order to protect the president, we created a secret code that unlocks the door. Now, you must try to figure out the code. But why are they making us do it? Good luck, hackers. They're supposed to do it. Green. I think, okay, let's see. Green color. Color, there we go. Change. Where's the green color? There we go. Okay. Where is it? Oh my god, where is the green color? There we go, we got it. Whoa, we really need to work in that code. Why? Whatever. Meet with the president in the next room. Okay. Hello, Mr. President. Hello again. Sorry, I had to leave early. It's okay. I had to, get everything ready. Are you sure? Yeah, anyways. As our very special guest, I will let you sleep in my presidential bedroom. Okay. For some reason, I can't find the keys. Oh my gosh. Can you look for them? Now we have to find his keys. Amazing. Okay, come on. Let's see. Wait, what's that? Those looks like keys. Done. I found the keys. Good luck. Great. Let's open the door then. Nice. We have our own TV. I think these, the president and the agents are up to something, but I don't know what. This is where you will be spending the night. I hope there is room for everyone. Okay. I'll give you guys time to get comfy. Okey-doke. What is this? him. What's him? What? I'm not comfy. What? We can't exit? Whatever. Oh, it's nighttime now. Can we still not exit? President left, so where he's gonna sleep. It's nighttime already. Okay. What is that? I can't sleep. There's something about this flight that scares me. Guys, the curtain. Oh man, I'm scared. I'm gonna stick by the door. Oh no! It's the monster! What? Oh my god. Now what's it gonna be? Lava? Run, run, run! I knew it! Something's weird about this place. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. I'm scared. Am I safe? Okay. Phew. Okay, now. Are we safe now? The floor! Get on something high. Okay, this is high, kind of. I hope I make it! Come on. Okay, fire's gone. What is happening? Wait, guys. What are these pages? Like, first I found him, now it's Stu. What's that? Guys, the phone is ringing. We should pick up. But I can't get outside. Wait, what? I can't exit! There's no telephone down here. Wait, there's a telephone. There we go. Hello? Who's there? Hey guys, I'm glad you picked up. Okay. Something terrible is happening on this plane. What is it? You don't say? You don't say what? I can't tell you much through the phone. I need you guys to come to the pilot cabin. The problem is the door is locked. Just give me a minute while I try to unlock it. Wait, why would that cabin be locked? Great. Get closer while I do that. But be careful. The monster might still be around. Okay. But I think that, like, the presidents, this is what they're, you will not escape this time. Oh no. No. Don't let him catch you. Okay. Let's go. Oh no! Okay, I'm furious, guys. I'm scared! I'm almost... No! Die! I don't have Robux. Okay, I guess this is the end of the video. I don't know what happens after this, but yeah. I guess bye.